In this video, I'm going to show you how to refer a friend to the H&R Block. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their official website, and then from here, you want to go to the search box up top right, and you want to type in refer a friend, okay? When you type that in, it's going to basically say refer a friend. You want to click on the first option, and it's going to take you to a bunch of different articles, and the first one should be refer a friend referral bonus. Now, click on this, and then here it's basically going to say refer friends, family, or small business owners, and earn up to $300. Now, as you can see here, you can read all about their referral program, and then here it says you can refer through May 31st, 2026. Now, if you're watching this at a later date, it may be a bit different, of course, depending on whenever you're watching this. And then to get started, just click on get started over here. And if you want to refer friends, here you'll have to basically enter in your first name and then last name, and then of course your email as well. And then to that email, you'll basically receive your unique referral link, and then you'll be able to start sharing offers with your friends, family, and small business owners. So if I show you how to do this, I'm going to type in my email over here. There we go. And I'm going to actually confirm I'm not a robot as well. And I'm going to click on next. And as you can see, it's going to basically send me the email. Now this is going to start loading for a few seconds. And there we go. It's automatically going to give you over here. It's going to give you a QR code and then your personal referral link over here. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So that's how to refer friends. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.